So this is just to give you an idea how quick you can put together a shot. This took about an hour from beginning to end, not including taking the footage on an iPhone and actually uploading into Quickmagic. That took a little bit of time, but just to give you an idea how quick a shot can be. It doesn't have to take years to make a quick shot. So here's a quick process on how to. What's up, everybody? Okay, so welcome to Quickmagic. I'd like to thank these guys. Basically, they've given me like a month just to test it out, try it out, and see what it's like. They've told me be myself, do whatever the hell I want, good, the bad, the ugly. So here we go. Once you go in there, you go to sign in, and you get signed in. All right. You go to you'll sign in with an email or something. All cool. And then you'll go to like project. So you got AI mocap, text motion. I mean, you got a ton of stuff here. I haven't gone through all of this. This is kind of like just, boom, just trying things. So here we go. I'm going to go to project. I've got one loading already, so I know how to do it. Motion capture, avatar. But for now, I want to do a motion capture. I'll take a new video. I will click this to import the video. I will import the video. Boom. And from there, it'll just detect people. Now look, I try to get this off an iPhone with a MOV. It doesn't work. You must convert it to whatever the hell this is, H.264 and MPEG or whatever. Anything else, it really doesn't work. From here, you select your whatever. You go to where you want it. Camera can be moving. It's all good. And you can just select what you want. It'll detect the character. You select what you want to do it for, right? What kind of rig? Where do you want to... Ooh, iClone. Nice. That, and I think this would be for Daz. We'll try it out. Okay, but for now, so I'm going to put 5.6 Unreal's enginings, and that's it. I'm going to say next. If there's anything else here that I can change, nope. Output format, cool. Drag it, okay, wonderful. And then I'll go to next, and then over here you've got action model to beta. Okay, so this is animation basic model v1 and animation basic model v2. This is the beta. This one actually does off the ground, so you can actually elevate, you can jump, you can get your legs off the ground. On this one, this is the beta, so it's not working 100%, but it's pretty good. Animation basic model, this is if you got your feet on the ground, you're good to go, right? We will try the beta. Physical optimization over here. So you can change this to here. It says that over here, like if you've got iteration 1, Retargeting's motion fidelity, foot stability may be weaker. Between 2 to 5, you can balance motion fidelity and overall stability, with stability gradually improving as the multiplier increases. Prioritize stability and foot locking. So this might screw your motion up, but at least your feet are stuck on the ground. So let's try 3. Okay. We want full body. Now this I can't get activated, not too sure why. It says the function is not available for the selected model, but even if I select this model, it's not available for that, so I don't know how to get that working. I'll check it out and try again later. Original pose, that's fine, 5.6, whatever, and I'll call it Monster Bash 2, because I got Monster Bash 1. Alright, 20 V coins, which means it's about 20 seconds. Okay, it's 1 V coin per second, and I'm going to generate now. What is this? What is this? Tag features are experimental. Okay, we proceed with caution. All right. I mean, we can try this one since I'm doing one with this one already. So let's try this one then. Oh, why is that on 10? That automatically goes to 10. Huh. Prioritize stability, foot locking, anti-sliding. Okay. I mean, if that's default, let's try the default. You can see even if I set this back to whatever and I go here and here, the default is 10 times. So fine, let's do the defaults. 20 V coins, blah 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 blah, and I'm going to generate now. Now I do have 2 in the queue, and I'll put one more up in the queue, and let's see what the results is. So this one is with the version 2, this one's with the version 1. And let's see, let's do one more and we'll get back to it. So after you upload it and get it going and everything, it'll take a while. You'll get your file, you'll get an email saying it's done, and here's the 3 that are done. We're going to take this one. If you hit play on it, just press the button, it'll do its thing, and it'll automatically put it onto the Unreal 5 mannequin. Boom, there it is. So if I'm happy with it, you can refine things, you can do whatever, you can resubmit if you want to do some refinements, whatever. For right now, I'm happy. You can format conversion, but for now, I want to download. It's on the Unreal 5 skeleton, so I'm going to hit download, and it'll download it for you straight done. It's done, Ari. It's done. Right, then inside of Unreal, go to your assets and download the golem. Is it golem? It's free. Oh no. There it is. Okay, stone golem. It's free this month. Go get it. And what you're going to do is you're just going to add it to your project. I've already done that. So it's a free character. Or you can use whatever character you want. But in this one, we're going to use the golem. Once you've done that, just go into like a folder, whatever, make a new level folder, stone golem I'm calling it. I'm going to put in here, and I'm going to make a right click and a new level. That's this one. I'm going to turn over to it, and I am going to, now I've got ultra dynamic sky. Okay, so then I'm going to get ultra dynamic sky. Look, if you don't have this one, get it. It's amazing. Ultra dynamic sky, it's literally drag and drop. You take the blueprint, you drag it in, and you get light. Boom. Alright, get it. It's amazing. It's always on sale, so wait for it to get on sale. You got to go. Right, next thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to center this thing right over here. You can see it. Boom. Okay, right there. And then I'm going to bring in the golem. We've downloaded the golem, so I'm going to drag, and where's that bastard? Where is Ari? Right here. I'm going to go into mesh. I'm going to grab this skeleton mesh. I'm going to drag him in. Boom. Where is the bastard? Where is the bastard? Drag him in. Boom. Okay. And I'm just going to center him as well on here. Boom. Okay. From there, I am going to go into my project. Just over here. Look, I'm going to keep this a little messy. I'm going to right click. I'm going to say make cinematics level sequence. Okay. Call it sequence golem. I'm going to drag this in, and I'm just going to center that as well. Boom. Just put it over here. I'm going to open it up here by double clicking. Can you see this one there? Yes, you can. Yes, you can. And from there, I'm just going to select my golem. I'm going to add the golem to it. Add, there we go. Where's this bloody thing there? Add actor track. And click the golem. He's in there. He's got an animation track and a transform. And from there, we are going to retarget the animation. So let's go to the let's bring in the animation first. So once you downloaded it from that Quickmagic, I'm just going to double click inside the zip. I'm going to copy this, go back out, and just paste it somewhere. I'm going to open it up, and I'm just looking for this FBX file. I'm going to put it straight into here. So I'm going to take it, drag it, drop it, boom, and that's it. It's going to ask me what the hell I want to do. If I want to retarget it, you can choose a skeleton straight from here, but we're going to leave everything simple right now. We're going to import mesh or whatever. There's no real morph targets, but I'll leave these on anyway, just in case. And then the animation. I'm going to import it. Boom. It'll come into your project. And once it has, here it is. So this is the animation that we did with Quickmagic. We've got something like this. It's not perfect, but it's pretty damn cool. I meant my movement. My movement's pretty crap, but actually it came out pretty good. I mean, there's a bit of feet sliding or whatever, but I'm not really too worried about that. And there we go. So we want to retarget this. I'm going to go on the animation, right-click it, and say retarget animation. Bam. And this is extremely straightforward. And oh, Mensch, Leute, Digga, Leute. Over here, it's already going to select this one for you. Over here, you're just going to type in golem. Golem, there it is, and there it is. Look at this. If you double click on it, you can see it moving. It's beautiful, just like that. It's lovely. And then I'm going to export the animation. Boom. and I'm gonna keep it. It's just yeah. I'm gonna keep the source path, so I'm just gonna click that so it comes from where it's coming, and I'm gonna call it golem. 100% I'm spelling that wrong. Don't care. Not a spell magician. So export that and override existing. It doesn't matter. And then just click it, and there he is. There's the golem. There's the animation sequence, and boom. You've got it. From there, what you can do is you can just literally go here, drag and drop this into your animation sequence, put it on 0, like this, bam, and your golem will be moving. Okay, so let's take a little look at this. Let's take a little look. That's how easy it is to get the animation. So I'm going to take this, I'm going to just put the golem there, and let's just play it and see what it looks like. That is cool. Yeah, bam. Okay, that's awesome. And there it is, we got it all. So from there, and then he walks off. That is pretty damn cool. So that's how quick it is to use Quickmagic, and it's, oh man, technology. Ari, tell Margaret to go off. Technologies are going so quick these days that all these motion capture suits, all these things, I mean, they're becoming a thing of the past. Not the past, but you don't need it anymore. For a little indie studio or whatever, you don't need these things anymore. I mean, just what's happening with his, is something's happening with his, no, okay, it's just his weird looking finger. Okay, it's amazing, it's incredible. So I'm going to put together a quick scene now, and I think that's it, isn't it? Look, the beauty of this thing here is once you've got this animation, you can take this animation, you can right click it over here on the actual skeleton, and you can bake it to control rig. Alright, oh, there is no control. Take off the filter here. I just want to see what kind of, oh, that would be amazing if you could put it onto the metahuman rig. Metahuman control rig. It's not going to work, but let's just see anyway. Okay, and I'm going to reduce keys, yes. Smart reduce, yes. Okay, whatever, create, and let's just see what this thing does here, if it does put onto a rig. So that actually works. That puts it onto a rig for you. You can see all the animation is still there, and the beauty of this now, the rig is tiny. The beauty of this now is, could you see all that? Like, yeah, right click, yeah, you can see all that. Okay, the beauty of this now is that you can take this animation, it's baked onto a metahuman rig, and you can start taking things. So the first thing that I would look for is global controls, and make sure that the IK switches are on. Now you can see it adds 2 keys there, right? What you need to do is you need to delete the ones that are off. Delete the ones that are off, and make sure that these are on. This one, delete it. This one, delete it. So now it's always on. For the duration of that, you've got it on, which is your IK system, right? So now if I go to the second one here, and I start looking for hand, you can see here, now I get little boxes. When you select these little things, see, there, and these things, you can start moving around, okay? So if you wanted to add different animation or enhance your animation on top of the motion capture, you can, and it's very easy. Like for instance, let's just take this for instance, bam, bam, okay? Let's take this first bam, I'm gonna put a key here, boom. Is that right? Is that right? Yeah, bam. And then stop it there, put a key there, zoom in a bit, and when he hits it like this, bam, I'm going to just key it there. You always want to have a key on one side and the other side where it's normal up until this point, and then from this point it goes back to normal, right? Because you've done a key there, so it sets it. But now I want to change something here in the middle of those frames, something like this, and just move like a little bit of a bam, something like that, something subtle, so it's kind of, see, it's just subtle, bam. And if you want to see it a bit more, just to show it off, whatever, You can do that. You can do something like this. So now you can see it a little bit more. See the way that arm moves? Back there too. So I want it to happen there again. So I'll place a key, like there, and I'll place another key here. And then in the middle, what I can do is I can do that thing again where I did it before, something like this, and it's just like a smack, right? So it gives a, you see that? It's just like these little subtle, you see, it just adds, so you can start emphasizing everything onto your rig, and finally you get that cool shot, Harry. You get the cool shot of Margaret in her prime days. Her prime days. This is what she used to look like. Boom, and this is how easy it is to put that motion capture on. How cool is that? And that's it. You can refine, you can adjust, you can do whatever the hell you want, and you get a cool animation. And the cool thing is you can start with this. Wait, hold on, Ari. Hold on. Ari, hold on. Let's get a fucking camera in here. Let's get a fucking camera in here, Ari. Just with a few little tweaks, right? Just boom. Let's take a sign camera. Let's add it into this thing. Let's just bring this up here. I'm going to, while it's selected, I'm going to add the camera. It automatically takes in the camera like so. And now look at this, Ari. Look at this. You can just start messing with the depth of field, right? Something like that. Or you can go close up like this. Something like that. Yes, Ari. Yes, you can bring that to it a bit. Look at that, Ari. It's beautiful. And I'm going to key the transforms and everything. You can see it here. And then when I go here, I can zoom out a little bit. And then just mess with the depth of field again. Get it in crystal clear, so you start getting this. You can start like moving around this creature, and then you can just boom, something like a cool angle or something like that, Addy. So you start getting. Over here, you can start showing a little bit more, something like this. Zoom up, get him in focus. You can just start having a lot of fun with this. Okay, he's completely gone. He's gone, Ari. Just get him focused again. Get in focus like so, Ari. There we go. Have your keys on. It should be on, but they're not. Alright. So you can start having a lot of fun with this. Alright. I like it. I like it a lot, you know. That was a ever slight 2 seconds of tweaking. You can have something cool looking like this. It's a cool shot. It's a cool shot that you can just quickly do, put away, and you've done it. It's so easy. Anyway, I hope this helps. Let me know if it helps. And you can get free animations every month with this. You can get, I think, 50 seconds of free animation every month with Quickmagic, and it's so easy to use. Highly recommend it. Hope this helps, and thanks for watching, people. I hope you have a lovely weekend. See you later.